Can you win a Social Security disability claim based on back pain if you are not taking or have not been prescribed narcotic prescription pain medication? I'm Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a Social Security disability attorney. I represent clients in all 50 states from Maine to California. And I get this question a lot because people are reluctant, for obvious reasons, to take heavy-duty pain medication for a long time. It can be addicting. It can be constipating. It sometimes doesn't do any good. You get just used to it. It doesn't really help very much. But the problem, the disconnect can be you're saying to the judge, hey, I've got a really bad back problem. I've got herniated disc. I've got bulging disc. I've got nerve root compression. I have a non-union and effusion. I'm in terrible back pain, but I'm not taking pain medication. And, you know, it used to be that was a real problem. Judges would see people who are not taking pain medication. The first question is, or first thought is, well, they're not taking, you know, Percocet or hydrocodone or oxycodone, so they must not be in all that much pain. I think now judges are aware that, number one, people are reluctant to take that stuff because it's addicting and it's got side effects. The second thing is that doctors, you know, are under a lot of pressure from the FDA not to prescribe pain medication, and they make you sign a contract, and you have to keep going back in to get the prescription renewed. It can be a real headache if you have if you're being prescribed pain medications. So judges realize that not everybody with severe back pain is going to have narcotic pain medication. But if you don't and you're not taking it, you need to have a pretty good explanation why, because the judge will ask you about that. So again, the reasons why you might be reluctant to take pain medications would be obviously fear of addiction. You can, and there's nothing wrong with saying that you've got people in your family who've become addicted to drugs and alcohol, and you don't want to be one of them, so you've really made a decision not to take that stuff. Or two, you were on pain medications at one point, and the side effects were so severe you could not function. Your goal is to return to work and to be able to do constructive things with your life, and when you feel like a zombie and you're sleeping 23 hours a day, that's not really going to be possible. You could say that, you know, you've decided with your doctor's advice to learn to manage the pain with non-medical therapies, whether it's relaxation techniques or could be acupuncture, chiropractic, whatever it may be, but it's mostly activity limitation. You don't really do anything that would put strain on your back, that you rest, you have a recliner, you have a specially designed bed where you're able to keep the pressure off your back, and while you realize it's not as fulfilling of a life as you would like, it's better than being drugged up all the time. And again, some judges are still going to have a problem with that, but I think at least you have a thoughtful explanation as to why you're not taking pain medications, you know, and the medical otherwise shows you've got a serious problem and you can testify credibly about severe pain, then I think your chances remain pretty good. But again, you don't want to be thinking about this issue, this question of why you're not taking pain medications for the first time when you get in front of the judge. You want to have thought about that already, have your explanation prepared, and be prepared to tell the judge in a rational, logical manner why you're not taking pain medications, and I think it should not damage your chances at winning too much. If you have more questions about Social Security disability, please visit me online. My website is called ssdanswers.com. I have a secret to winning disability survival kit there. Also have a place you can ask for a case evaluation. Again, remember I'm representing clients in every state, so I'd be happy to give you a case evaluation, let you know what I think. If you thought this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to our channel, like our Facebook page, and connect with us. We'd like to inform you. I'd like to give out as much information as I can about what I consider to be a very opaque process, the Social Security disability process. That's why I do these videos, and I'd love to hear from you if you have any thoughts, suggestions, or comments. Again, please let me know. My name again, Jonathan Ginsberg, and I wish you the best. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about how to win your Social Security disability case, I'd like to invite you to download my Secrets to Getting Approved Early Survival Kit that I created just for people like you. Currently, I'm making the survival kit available at no cost, and I encourage you to grab your copy now. Some of the topics I cover include: how do I know if I have a case? Is it the right time for me to file my claim? 9 common mistakes that can doom your case. the 3 must-have arguments you use to win your case, and a topic that every disability claimant wants to know, how to avoid trick questions from the judge. If you or a loved one need to win Social Security disability benefits, you'll find the Survival Kit essential reading. Download your Survival Kit right now and at no cost. Just visit ssdanswers.com/survival and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now. And as always, I wish you the best.